So you want your GeoCue True View TV1 to look like this, but when you get it, it looks like this. I'm gonna show you how to make that happen right now. Okay, so let's get right into it. You have bought the GeoCue True View TV1 LiDAR sensor for your drone, whether it is this drone right here, which is the Inspired Flight IF800 Tomcat, or it's another drone, but really this is gonna end up being the same for no matter what drone that you use. It might look a little different, but it's basically going to be the same setup. Okay, so let's start with what comes in the box. First, you have got the actual sensor itself. That is right here. That is the GeoCue True View TV1. Now, if you look around the sensor, you're going to see there is a USB port on the back of this sensor, and you are going to take the provided USB thumb drive and you're going to insert it right into the back of the LiDAR sensor. This is so that you can retrieve the information that you've recorded on your LiDAR flights. Next, you are gonna take the GPS antenna. This is that little black device here, it's tiny, and you are gonna attach that to the mast itself. So this metal thing is the mast. You are gonna go ahead and screw that right on top. Next up is the mount for the drone itself. This has 4 holes on the very far outside that you are going to attach to the top of the drone. You're going to see some corresponding screw holes right on top of this drone, and you're going to go ahead and you are going to use the 4 screws that are provided to fasten that to the top of the drone. Okay, next, you are going to take this mast and you're going to want to go ahead and just slide it right into the top of this mount. So we've got it mounted. Now we want to take this wire that is coming out at the bottom of the mast and you want to go ahead and you want to plug it in to the side of your drone. There is an additional wire that is inside the box as well. You're going to see that it's got a certain connector on one end and a smaller connector on the other end. Look in the back of the drone underneath, so under the battery compartment, and you're going to find a little area, a little connector here, but it's got a bolt on top of it. So you want to unscrew that bolt, put that to the side. You don't want to lose it. Then you're going to take the bigger end of this wire and you're going to screw it in to that slot. All right, so now we've got those wires attached. We've got the mast and the antenna on top of it. Now I want you to take your actual True View sensor and we are going to attach it to the drone. So there's a dovetail system on the bottom of the drone here and you're going to be able to slide it right in. So let's do that real quick. Now, before you attach it, there is a little lever here on the right side that will eventually tighten it once we get it attached. So first we want to go ahead and we want to insert the LiDAR. Perfect, it's on there. Now we want to take that latch and make sure you press it all the way tight. Okay, so just recapping again, we have got the mast on with the antenna. We have got the wire from the mast connected. We have got a wire connected to the bottom of the drone, and that wire is gonna go right onto the GeoCue True View TV1 itself. There's a little connector on the side of it. You wanna take that wire and you wanna just press it right in there. Make sure that it is all the way tight. Okay, so now you have got your complete LiDAR sensor system attached to this drone. We hope you got a lot of information from this, a lot more to see, so make sure you check out the rest of our channel.